Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to integrate Jotform Sign with HubSpot. This integration is incredibly useful for automating your workflow, allowing form submissions to flow directly into your HubSpot CRM without any manual data entry. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to jotform.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Enter your email and password to access your Jotform account. This step is essential as it gives you access to all the form creation and integration tools you'll need. After logging in, direct your attention to the upper left panel of your screen. Here, you'll see a button labeled Plus Create. Click on it. This button is your gateway to building new forms and projects within Jotform. It opens up a menu with various options for what type of content you want to create from the options that appear. Click on Form. You'll then be presented with several ways to start your form. For our purposes, select Start from Scratch, followed by choosing Classic Form. This gives you a clean slate to build exactly the form you need without any pre-existing templates getting in the way. Now you're in the form editor, which is where all the magic happens. At the top of the page, locate and click the Settings button. This is where you'll access all the configuration options for your form, including the integrations we're about to set up. Once you're in the Settings menu, click on Integrations. This section houses all the third-party tools and platforms Jotform can connect with. In the search field that appears, type HubSpot. You'll see the HubSpot integration option appear in the results. Go ahead and click on it to proceed. Next, you'll be asked to choose an action event from a drop-down menu. This determines what happens in HubSpot when someone submits your form, whether it creates a new contact, updates an existing one, or triggers another action. Select the action that best fits your workflow needs, then click Next. Give this a moment to process as it prepares the connection between the two platforms. Finally, you'll need to authenticate your HubSpot account. Click Authenticate and you'll be prompted to sign into your HubSpot account. Enter your HubSpot credentials when the login window appears. This step securely connects your Jotform account with HubSpot, allowing the two platforms to communicate and share data seamlessly. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Jotform Sign with HubSpot, creating an automated pipeline for your form submissions to flow directly into your CRM. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.